Listen, summers are really busy. You know what I mean? So anything that we can do to like lighten the load, it would be very, very helpful.
Yes.
Lifestyle host Anastasakis.
Yes, Niki.
Did I get it? Niki.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
I wanted to get the last name right. I didn't get your first name.
You were focused on my last name.
I was focused on the last name.
You got it right.
Yeah, I got the last name, but I forgot to mention your first name. So great to have Niki on the show for your morning live debut. You got a lot of tech on this desk here.
We got a lot of good tech, all from Best Buy.
Okay. Where are we going? Because it is true. Anything, because the summers are like, they're packed full.
Yeah.
You ram everything in. So anything to kind of help us out, specifically around the house, like cleaning the house, is a good idea.
Yes. So
Niki.
especially the spring, summer months when it comes to allergies. I don't know about you guys, but I suffer a lot.
Yeah.
So I want to start off with this Shark air purifier.
Right.
This is incredible. It's a 3-in-1. It actually has a fan, it has a heater for the winter, and it has a purifier. And on the screen, it will tell you how clean the air is in your home with a percentage. So you can leave this running all day, makes sure your air is clean, helps with things like the sniffles and sneezing like myself. I struggle a lot.
The spring is really bad for a lot of people, I found.
Really bad this year. So August is coming. There's a second wave. They say there's new allergies coming. So get yourself one of these, it'll help.
Okay, so then what about cleaning up?
Then we have this Shark 2-in-1 robot vacuum.
What's the 2-in-1?
And this actually has a mop attachment as well as a vacuum. So I've never seen one with a mop. I don't know if you have.
These things kind of roaming around.
Yeah, it's amazing. It actually works wonders. You can put the solution in and the water, and then it has a self-emptying device as well.
So like it just attaches to the front of it?
Yeah, you just change the attachments. The heads are interchangeable here. And watch it go.
Here.
And what's really neat is you can set this up with the app, and you can tell it to what room you want it to clean.
Oh,
so if I'm out and my kitchen's messy, I'll say go to my kitchen.
Oh, that's it underneath there, the little mop thing right underneath there?
That's the mop.
Cool. Yeah, I've never seen that.
It's wonderful.
All right. Do we know prices on any of this type of stuff?
Yeah, this one is, I believe, $5.99 for this one.
Okay, for that one.
Yeah.
Let's go over here. We got the vacuum
Then we have
action.
the Stratos cordless vacuum.
I'm just vacuuming
This vacuum is actually incredible for people with long hair like myself, shedding, anyone who has pets.
Yeah.
And the hair doesn't get tangled on the vacuum itself. So it's really, really powerful. And also what I love about it is you can get under surfaces. The arm will bend actually easily. So if you could go under tables, under beds, nice and easy, and just bend the handle right here.
As a resident cleaner upper, I can appreciate a good vacuum and different attachments too.
And all these different attachments that come with it. Yep.
Right. So let's get into these guys here, the blender.
Yeah. So then we have this Ninja Professional Plus blender.
So these are Sharks. These are Sharks. These are Ninjas.
Now we're moving on to Ninja. Yeah. So this Professional Plus blender comes with all these cups. You can interchange. The blades are so powerful. I've been using mine for more than a year. I make smoothies almost every day.
How's your smoothie game?
It's great.
Is it?
It's amazing. I've mastered it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should have a smoothie off. I think I'm a pretty good smoothie maker too.
Let's do it next segment.
What's your key ingredient in a smoothie? What do you put in there that?
Acai is my latest.
What is that?
Acai powder.
Oh, okay.
It's a type of fruit. And that's all I know.
Okay.
It's from yeah.
But it works.
It's exotic and it's wonderful.
So does all of this come with the blender? All of this type of stuff?
Yeah, so this is the food processor attachment.
Right.
You can chop all your vegetables, anything you need, and then you can also have the big jug or the small jug to go take it to work.
Take that on the road. Okay, air fryer. Let's get this out of the way.
Last but not least, we have a 2-basket air fryer, 8-quart, and so you could really cook 2 different meals at the same time. You know, you have family that wants different things. Pop them in here, and you can do everything from air broil, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate.
They just don't air fry anymore. They do all.
They do it all, and I'm telling you, it's a game changer.
Right.
These are game changers. You don't have to turn on your whole stove to cook, and it saves tons of energy.
Yeah. Okay. Do we know the price on that one?
This one here is $2.99.
Oh, so $2.99. So any of these are available at
Best Buy, bestbuy.ca. You can order online. They'll be ready most of the time within 30 minutes in store.
Okay.
So Best Buy has all your tech needs this summer, you guys.
Where can we follow you?
You can follow me at Niki Anna on Instagram, and I have all these items listed there.
Niki Anastasakis. Anastasakis. Anastasakis.
Good job. It's okay.
I get there. See, you got to come back, so I got to get it, right?
I'll be back. Don't worry.
Okay, thanks, Niki.
So much fun.
More Morning Live on your Monday after this.